I want to give you a very brief overview of what to expect in the course. Because there's a bit of setup you need to perform before you start scripting, I'm going to keep this short so you can get going as soon as possible. The first thing you're going to do in this course is to set up a local lab environment. You'll learn how to quickly create Linux virtual machines using a tool called Vagrant. You can think of this environment that you're going to be building as a safe sandbox to play in, where anything you do with your scripts will not modify or hurt your existing computer. Next, you're going to write a script that adds local users to a Linux system. For your first script, you're going to learn all the shell scripting basics to make it work, including how to name shell scripts, what permissions to use on them, how to use variables in your scripts, how to use the if statement, what shell built-ins are, as well as how and when to use those shell built-ins. You'll then build upon what you've learned by writing yet another script. The second script you write will have you using pipes to transform data into the exact format you want it in. You'll also learn how to process command line arguments to your script, use special positional parameters, and even generate random passwords. As you continue to write more scripts, you'll learn even more, such as how to use for loops and while loops, and also you'll become very good at controlling and manipulating the various types of input and output. You'll also discover how to conform to good Linux programming conventions by appropriately handling errors and using proper exit statuses. Again, I wanted to keep this introduction very brief because we have lots to cover, so let's get started.